maraming nag-tweet nakuha nila, nasagot nila.
Nasagot nila?
Oh.
Ay, alam nila yung premium, may premium.
And we'll select the winner actually. So you go to yung Facebook page and yung Twitter account ng PBA.
Pwede i-claim sa Mars.
Yes, Mars. Ano pa ba?
Hindi yung...
Hindi disco. Akala ko sa Mars. Yung planet Mars.
Tanda.
Sagot mo pa masahe.
Ano pa yun? Panahon pa ng Alaska at Ginebra na finals.
1997. Mars na Mars.
Ay, may euphoria na nun.
Matagal na may euphoria. Oh, Rob Dozier gets this started here in the second half. Okay, imperatives. If you are Alaska, how should you start the second half? Jason.
If you play even, you're fine. Ginebra cannot play even in the first 3 minutes.
In other words, you don't have to be excellent.
You don't have to be excellent. Para sa Ginebra, you have to eat into this lead here in the first 3 minutes.
How should you start this third quarter, Benji?
Ganun na rin?
Ano? Alam mo, hindi na kita tatanungin.
Hindi kasi, wala ka naman kailangan gawin sa ang Alaska, walang kailangan gawin
Alaska,
special. Nothing special.
Kaya nilang mag-status quo.
Yes. So, kumbaga, just play the normal game the way they're playing in their last 2 quarters. Ang Ginebra ang kailangan dito.
And somebody's got to make a shot para dito sa Barangay Ginebra from that starting unit.
So parang bumalik lang tayo sa ating first quarter na yung defense ng Ginebra ay talagang wala.
Which is for Ginebra, you can't have another bad start. Bad start's the first half, and you cannot afford to have another bad start second half.
Yeah, Ellis is on his way out. Coach Al not very happy with a couple of plays. First, the missed defensive play, and then after that entry pass.
Erica, anong pinag-usapan ng dalawang teams at the half?
According to Coach Alan, nabulaga daw talaga sila nung first quarter. They were outplayed right away, kaya naman daw naging tentative ang mga guards. They've been missing their shots too, and they got frustrated, kaya hindi nakabababa agad sa depensa. So they have to put more pressure this second half. As for Coach Luigi naman, they have to better handle the physicality that results from this pressure. They have to close out better to maintain energy and rhythm tulad ng first and second quarters. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Erica. In the meantime, Alaska razor sharp once again to start. Back with us dito sa ating live coverage of game number 1 of this best of 5 championship series, and Parakael goes in, has nowhere to go, and again that superb defense by Alaska showcased in that play.
Nawawalang spacing because ang ganda ng depensa ng Alaska, and they're allowing the shooters to get out of their rhythm para dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
Saka kanina nakikita natin during the first quarter na nakasag lang si Dozier pag pumoposte si McLean. Pero ngayon, ando na siya eh. Dalawa na silang nakabantay. Wala pa yung bola kay McLean.
It's a Coach Saver miracle shot. Alley-oop completed by Cyrus Baguio. I mean, just the quality of shots in general ng Alaska throughout this game. Good shots, open shots, easy shots.
Tapos pag titingnan mo yung kabila para sa Barangay Ginebra, yes, when you look at it, ang dami nilang tira kumpara sa Alaska. But because of the number of shots that are contested, pag nalilibre sila, parang nabibigla itong Barangay Ginebra na nalilibre sila dahil ang ganda nga ng depensa nitong Alaska Aces.
Saka yung sinabi mo nga kanina, masyadong masikip yung offense nila eh.
Let's look at this Ginebra offense with L.A., Elmer Espiritu, Willie Wilson, Vernon Macklin, and Joshua Bistondo. Here's Urbistondo for 3. And one shot at a time here for Ginebra. And very evident also that Coach Francis Chua is now very much willing to experiment.
Okay? You gotta find something. A while ago, through his experimentation, nakakuha siya ng magandang lineup. Ngayon, he's hoping that it will happen again.
And magandang part dito sa Alaska is even if they're not getting the rebounds, they're tapping the ball outside. And luckily, sila pa rin ang nakakakuha.
What? Miscue.
Ayun lang, hindi lucky yun. Mali ang ginawa yun.
What a journey so far for Luigi Trillo. It's never easy to coach after Tim Cone and Joel Banal.
Well, yes, masasabi natin maganda yung journey niya dahil matagal siya.
Matagal siya assistant coach.
Matagal siya assistant coach, and then nagsimula siya sa maraming talo, then mga champion, and not like Coach Al Francis, nakakapasok lang, and then nadala ka agad sa finals yung Ginebra. Yun ang hinahanap natin.
O sige, matanong ko lang, which I believe ito rin gusto tanongin ng mga Ginebra fans. Vernon Macklin, okay, first one. Was that his first slam dunk tonight?
Yep.
This was brought to you by Rexona Men with 50% long-lasting protection so you can do more. And I'm pretty sure some Ginebra fans are saying, dapat mas marami pa, dapat kanina pa siya dunk. Why is that not happening?
He's not getting enough touches. To begin with, ilang beses, nakakapagod pumoste tapos hindi mo nakakuha yung bola.
Totoo yun. So dapat, once na nakita mo ng open yung poste, dapat ipasa mo na kagad.
And the nice thing about Vernon Macklin, he's a willing passer. So kahit na ibigay mo sa kanya yung bola, inalabas niya naman eh.
Meantime, here's Dozier. Shot clock down to 8. Tony De La Cruz. Back to Dozier. Shot clock down to 4. Time winding down. Cyrus has to shoot. Almost. And ball ends up with Espiritu. 54-27. Lamang pa rin ang Alaska. Urbistondo hounded by Baguio. Urbistondo sends it to Elmer. Could have been traveling there on Elmer Espiritu.
Could have been.
Here's Macklin. Shot clock down to 8. LA on the move. No go. I mean, just excellent defense by Alaska.
Ganda ng depensa nila. And after that, yung kita mo, all of them going for the rebound.
Actually, maganda rin naman yung mga shots na ibigay ng Ginebra kaso lang wala talagang pumapasok eh.
Meantime, Urbistondo pushing the ball here with 7:52 remaining in the third. He sets up Elmer Espiritu. Right now, Ginebra looking for new weapons because their primary weapons did not work in the first half. As we entered this 30-second timeout para sa Alaska. 54-29. Alaska lamang pa rin dito. They led by as many as 25 points. And Microtel by Winam Cabanatuan Weekend Barkada Package for only 2,900. Good for 4 persons per night. Valid on weekends until December 31st, 2013. For reservations, call 899-7171 or log on to microtelphilippines.com. Microtel by Winam, a better place to stay. Our Fresco Fresh Face brought to you by Reno Shine Fresco, the first and only odorless antibacterial and 100% elastomeric paint. Again, pangarap ko talaga someone will tell me that I am odorless and antibacterial.
Ako, basta tawagin ng elastomeric, ayos na ako.
Celebrities up and about, pumunta dito sa Big Dome to take part in witnessing game number 1.
Basta finals talaga, marami mga celebrities.
Ikaw nga, ayun nga eh. Kilig na kilig nga ako, katabi kita eh.
Talaga ba giniginaw ka lang?
Hindi. It's LA. LA inside!
Good change-up. Good change-up on the part of Barangay Ginebra. Coming out of that timeout, sumona sila para hindi magawa ng Alaska ang gusto nilang gawin.
Whoops. Somebody reached in. Atid ng Mega Force, tibay at lakas. Check out this move by LA.
He has to be aggressive and not allow himself to settle for that outside shot, at least in that primary offense of theirs.
5 points tonight so far para kay LA Tenorio. Remember, he's coming off that huge game in game number 5 against Talking Tex. Meantime, Dozier to Sonny, and Sonny scores just as the shot clock was about to expire.
The difference between the two teams right now. When Alaska plays defense, everyone rotates. You look at Barangay Ginebra in that play. Only needed one more guy to rotate para hindi pumunta yung bola kay Sonny. No one helped out.
Hindi lang yun. Sama mo na itong sa kanilang rebounding. Alaska pa rin nakakakuha.
So this time, LA has the ball. LA steps on the gas. He was bothered by Cyrus Baguio. As we near the halfway mark of the third quarter, Baguio hammered by Willie Wilson, and possibly 2 free throws here para kay Skyros.
Foul on the 28, William Wilson. That's his first foul.
First personal laban kay Willie Wilson, and Ginebra is at the limit as we send you back to Miss Erica Padilla.
Sa tindi ng frustration ni Coach Al, ang nasabi na lang niya sa team, isang tanong kung gusto pa daw ba nilang maglaro, dahil kung kaya naman na daw nila, okay lang naman daw kay Coach, tinitignan na lang daw nila ang takbuhan, and definitely that will not help them win. Balik sa inyo.
Strong words coming from the coach.
There's a lot of frustration there because this is not how you drew it up. Gantong kalaking kalamangan, and he's pretty much emptied his bench.
Una nila, pati si Dylan Ababu ipasok para makatulong.
I'd go to Samboy first before Dylan.
I'd go to Samboy Alan before Dylan. Si Taha, hindi pa pinapasok. Here's Espiritu. Overshoots and rebound, Sunny.
Actually, kanina pa natin napapansin kung si
Macklin is hobbling, ha? Oh.
Kanina pa yan.
More bad news for Ginebra tonight. Meantime, okay, Macklin is hurt.
Yeah.
Yep.
He probably has to be replaced here.
Yep.
Ayan, si Mamaril ang papapasukin dito.
It's either natamaan siya or masikip yung cycling shorts na suot niya. Hindi siguro.
Almost a reverse layup para kay Willie Wilson.
Kasi yun yung sinasabi ko, marami mga open shot, marami magandang tira Ginebra, kaso talagang hindi lang nila nakukontrol.
And again, that's the Dozier factor. Alam mo na nandun si Rob Dozier averaging over 2 blocks a game. Alam mo, hahabulin ka eh.
Look out. JV Casio for 3. Alaska ahead 60-31 here in the third. Kami po nagagalak na makasalo kayo para sa ating game number 1 of PBA Commissioner's Cup Finals. This is a best-of-5 series, and Josh Urbistondo scores off the glass.
Vernon Macklin already in the bench.
Question mark kung ano yung iniinda niya, the extent of whatever ails him, whatever injury that is.
Nice thing is you can see that there's actually no trainer beside him that's working on him. Ibig sabihin, probably natamaan lang, konti pahinga.
Ano pa yan during the first half pa yan.
Tamaan din si Dozier doon. Bili mo pa rin.
Hindi natamaan, tinamaan
talaga. There's Vernon. Like Jason said, hindi naman nagkakagulo. Sino yung nasa likod, Benji?
Si Alan Kay.
Dito. Ayun.
Ayun. And you can actually see yung pati yung paa niya, na-twist na ng bahagya.
That's why he's on the bench. Okay, so may bendahin na dun sa si
Anyway.
Si Alan Kay. Sure ako si Alan Kay kasi katabi niya si Ruby Rodriguez Well, sabi.
Yeah. Pero actually, tama yung ginawa rin ni Coach pahinga muna.
Set Macklin down?
Pahinga muna. Even your, kumbaga yung mga star players mo, pahinga muna.
Well, naturally, this is a Ginebra game, and not a soul has moved dito sa Big Dome because they know that their team is the never-stay-die team of the PBA. Anytime, they can probably launch a run here, but it will take a lot para burahin ito lamang ng Alaska. Here's Elmer Espiritu, one of the shock troopers tonight, pulling up, and that's good.
You have to manage expectations if you're Barangay Ginebra right now. 4 minutes to go. Right now, it's 23 points yung kalamangan. If you can cut it to 18, 16 bago matapos ng quarter na to, you're back in the game.
Sanjo Marudo, part of this big crowd, Miss Ruby Rodriguez.
Pumayat na si Ruby. Hindi pa rin.
Moving friends kayo.
Kaibigan ko. Kaya pala nag-react tayo. Natakot kayo.
Hindi, kasi ako napansin ko, grabe na pinayat.
Kaya nga.
Agree rin.
Shot clock down to 5 and Gabby Espinas connects. A lot of these Alaska players, they've been solid throughout this game, Jason. Yung pagpasok sa game, tulong ka agad, they do their role, and steadily, they keep Ginebra at bay.
Ang maganda dyan, Coach Lee has done an excellent job of keeping his players' heads in the game. Kahit na lumalamang sila and then pumahabol yung Ginebra, konting habol pa lang ta-timeoutan niya na he has done a good job of reminding his boys where they're at, what the situation is, and how big this situation is.
Missed by Helterbrand, rebound, Sunny Toss. We are in the remaining 3 minutes of the third quarter.
Ginebra's got to get into a run here in the last 2 minutes and 54. Yeah. A run that would spell a 6-point difference to get it back in this game.
Well, Elmer Espiritu is trying his very best to push the Ginebra cause here. It's still a 23-point lead, however, para sa Alaska.
And at this time, si Coach Al, hindi iniisip ngayon kung paano sila lalamang. Iniisip niya is, sa tingin ko kung ano ang adjustment na gagawin niya for the next game.
But here's what we're saying. Right now, it's down to 21. If they're able to cut this down, this logically, or this can be cut all the way back to 15, 16.
Here's Abueva. A swipe by Hatfield, but
Tawagan ng foul.
yeah, referee Malaw says too much hand contact there, Rudy.
And it was a good call. You see that Rudy actually got yung wrist ni Calvin Abueva. And those are the stuff na hindi pwede mangyari para dito sa Barangay Ginebra if they want to make their run.
Joshua Urbistondo having a conversation here with Calvin Abueva and RJ Azul telling Urbistondo, huwag mo nang guluhin, magpi-free throw si Calvin.
2 shots for Calvin Abueva.
Sila ang ating mga ulala, mahal ng masa fans of the day, mula sa masarap, malaman, mura at convenient kasi easy to open. Ulalam, ready to eat ulam para sa masa, mahal ng masa, ulalam, 15 pesos lang as we send you back to Erica.
This is the first finals year Sir Calvin Abueva in the PBA and di daw talaga niya in-expect, lalo pa on his rookie year, but definitely itinaas daw talaga nila ang kanilang bonus conference. Kaya naman nakikita natin kung gaano na lang humasal itong si Calvin that he was even awarded best player of the game twice nung semis. Kung mahihigit pa daw sa pagiging the beast, sa pagiging aggressive, that will be his biggest contribution dahil alam niya na nakakahawa daw talaga ito sa kanyang mga teammates. Balik sa inyo.
Ano ulit, Erica? Wala akong naintindihan sa sinabi mo. Pwede mo ulit lahat?
Pwede kong ulitin.
Pero
This will be the...
wag na kasi wala tayong oras. So, thank you.
Nakatapat to si Erica. Okay, Erica was talking about Calvin. And to be honest about it, medyo bitin nga yung mga Ginebra fans eh. Hindi sila masyadong makapag-interact with Calvin Abueva. You know, they were so excited to watch Calvin play. Papahirapan nila, you know, but the game's been so one-sided so far. Abueva, you know, giving them little reason to be upset. Actually, giving them a lot of reason to be upset. Here's Abueva, drop pass. Espinas outside. No. Rebound, Helterbrand. Helterbrand for 3.
Ito na yung sinasabi mo, Jason, no? Naibaba na nila yung lamang.
Azul.
17 points.
Sunny. RJ hounded by Helterbrand. Shot clock down to 10. Azul found an opening. And a rebound by Joshua Urbistondo. The fireball over to JJ. JJ for 3. Oh, overshoots.
Yeah, never even had a grip on that shot.
Dami nalaglag sa silya.
Here's Abueva, and he gets hammered by Billy Mamaril. Say what you want about Billy Mamaril. At least you know, when he gives up a foul, talaga yung heart and soul niya binibigay niya.
Sulit, di ba? Never say die.
Yun.
It's actually not a that bad a
Yeah,
foul.
hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Hindi siya
Foul on the Aces. Assistant coach Totex Robinson for second infraction of improper bench decorum.
Gotta hurt. Right now, one of the reasons Ginebra's actually had a chance to come back, nagpahinga si Rob Dozier. Nawala yung anchor nila sa depensa, and now he's coming back.
Slowly, that lead is dwindling.
And back in the game, 16 in this league is a manageable lead.
Gary, the reason ng technical free throw si JJ Elterbrand was because nabigyan ng technical foul si Topex Robinson, one of the assistant coaches ng Alaska. And if Luigi's not careful,
Yeah, he has to be careful. He has a warning.
baka pati siya matawagan din. And the second free throw for the Beast. And Orbistondo has the ball.
Ito yung gusto natin makita sa Ginebra na talagang tumutulong din sila sa lahat sa rebound.
Here's Espiritu. Go! Rebound, Dozier. And Mamaril and Abueva are all locked up, and we'll see a double foul here, according to referee Emi Tangkion.
Actually, for the part of Ginebra, hindi dapat puro outside shot din.
Can't fall in love with that three-point shot. It did give you already, it got you back in the game, pero hindi pa tapos yun. Kailangan
Double foul nga naman.
Oh, because they're inseparable.
Oo, nagawa kan pareho eh.
Back to action on the floor. Time winding down. Dito sa third quarter. Alaska still ahead. 65-48. Azul. Dondon. Espinas. Double team. And got foiled by the defense of Ginebra. Here's Orbistondo. Orbistondo for three.
Hindi nakinig, kakasabi ko lang eh.
Hindi ka naman naririnig.
Hindi ba ako naririnig?
Hindi ka naririnig.
Kala ko naririnig ako.
It was a bad shot because Ginebra had a chance to take the last shot of this quarter.
Yep.
5 seconds remaining. 3 seconds to go in the third. Open look for Calvin Abueva.
Shoot it.
At the end of the third, Calvin Abueva telling the Ginebra fans, chillax. And here's that excellent pass by Azul for Abueva. And Abueva says, I eat my spinach, I have muscles.
And